What is Solana staking? Staking on Solana involves participating in the network's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism by locking up, or staking, SOL tokens to support the network's operations. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for decentralized applications and crypto projects aiming to provide fast, scalable, and low-cost transactions. You can earn Solana by staking, and there are certain competitive rates that different validators offer. In this video, I will show you the staking validator with the highest APY. What is the best Solana staking validator? After some extensive research, I've personally found staking through Exodus Wallet will get you the most bang for your buck. You can stake Solana at a 7.6% APY, and you receive the earned Solana in your wallet directly every few days. This is the most efficient and most profitable way to stake Solana. I've researched the rest, and you can go through the extra hassle of things like KYC and other things, just for an extra 0.02%, but with Exodus it's so easy that you can stake in wallet. How do I get started staking my Solana? If you want to get started staking, simply follow these simple steps. Click the Exodus link in my description and create a wallet. Save your seed phrase somewhere safe so that you don't lose your wallet. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click the Solana token and deposit some SOL. Finally, you simply click this staking icon and click Stake SOL. This is the same process for every device, but it may look different depending on which device you are on.